sort of technique and stuff like that? Like, we all lift washing machines upstairs.
Yeah.
So, so the bottom guy's got most of the weight.
Yeah.
And the top guy, he's like that, going backwards.
Yeah,
upstairs. Is there any sort of
again,
advice you give on that?
Again, with that, with the guy at the top, is that to keep your back as flat as you can. You want to be keeping it as close as you can, even though the close isn't going to be as close, that close. It's still going to be out like that. But again, when you do any type of training, you know how I said sort of at the beginning that get your shoulder blades back. If you lift something like this, yeah, it's a lot of strain going through your back. If you can get your shoulder blades in first and then lift it, one, it's stronger, and two, you're not going to be curving your back as well. So it's getting that
Shoulder blades back. Keep the
shoulder
weight as
blades
close
back,
to you as you can.
and the weight is literally as close to you as you can have it within reason. You know, if you've got the front of a washing machine, so yeah, and you're going upstairs, you're going to have to be bent over a little bit. You'd rather be in this position rather than that position. And that's something that I think with, like I try and work with a lot with when I train anybody. People that work at desks have this as well, because they're sat down like this all the time, especially mouse arm. You know, the mouse arm sits like this, and this other arm sits like that, and you've got one of your shoulder blades that sits flat and the other one pokes out like that because your mouse arm's over here. You know, so you're nodding over there. And people say, oh, shoulder's aching a little bit, yeah, because your shoulder blade's at the wrong angle. If you put it back in again through training, then it's a lot, you know, it's a lot easier to sort of step.
That'll happen with drivers.
Yeah, with driving like that.
Like just over the
Yeah,
sort of thing.
exactly. I actually injured my shoulder a while ago. I wasn't doing powerlifting at all. It was running around doing silly things like playing rugby. But so it's quite a long time ago. And occasionally, you know, you feel it, but usually not from lifting, driving, because I drive with one hand. You know, one hand on the gear stick, one hand on the wheel. So you do, isn't it? Yeah. 10 to 2. Does anyone do that? Yes.